Hi y'all, it's me, it's Dion. Dion Fields with Dion Fields Travel Channel. I'm just leaving Avis. Been doing Avis for now 20 years and I love it. I do it when I go travel to different countries, go to the airport, or hang out with my two sons. What y'all think about this one? This is one of the nicest cars that Avis has. It's that new 2020 Jaguar SUV. And this is what I'm getting for a couple of days, or maybe even a week. Depends on how I like it, and I think I will. It's a Jaguar SUV. I am heading to Atlanta to go look at some houses because I'm thinking about moving, me and my two sons.
Can you get inside the office too? Help me.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Go
And
behind the counter too if you want.
okay. And I'm excited about my road trip. Looking at houses today. And I'm at Avis taking my new car. Okay. When you've been here this long, the Avis here on Clinton Highway is the one that I use. It's awesome. I love this Avis. Been coming here forever. Good prices, good people, good service. Amazing. So if you ever need to rent a car, stop by Avis here in Budget on Clinton Highway. There, they will service you with excellent quality customer service. Okay, see you later.